Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's video demonstrating how you can use pencil spaces in your day-to-day education. So Pencil Spaces is equipped to support a variety of different teaching styles, so today we are going to be creating a Venn diagram. So Venn diagrams can be used in a variety of different lessons, including math and science, which is what we are going to be focusing on today. So the first thing I'm going to do to create our Venn diagram is use Pencil's Shape tool. I'm going to select the circle, and I'm just going to put a circle into my space. One cool trick to note is that if you hold down Shift on your keyboard while you draw your circle, you can create a perfect circle. Once I finish creating my circle, I can adjust the size and the color. So to duplicate the circle in the exact size, shape, and color that I've already created, I'm going to select Command C on my keyboard to copy and Command V to paste. Now I can move the circle, and I've now created the structure of my Venn diagram. So when looking at teaching a math lesson, this is a great way to teach multiples of numbers. I'm going to put a text box above my Venn diagram and label this multiples of 3. Once again, I can move around the text, I can bold the text, change the color, and make any adjustments that I want. So as you can see, I have labeled the left side of the Venn diagram as multiples of 3 and the right side as multiples of 5. Now I'll be putting some numbers on the right hand side so that when my student joins me in the space, they can move them into their designated spaces on the Venn diagram. So now that I've put my list of numbers on the side, I'm ready to have my student come into my space and put them into the Venn diagram. So I have created another Venn diagram to replicate something that can be used in a science lesson. So on the left-hand side, we have plant eaters, and on the right-hand side, we have meat eaters. And to the right, I've listed various types of animals. I can now have my student come into this space and move the designated animal into their correct spaces on the Venn diagram. So the different ideas and types of Venn diagrams are really endless. You can even have your students put in images into the Venn diagram or really whatever you want depending on the lesson you're teaching. So I am ready to have my student join me in this space. So I'm going to click invite. And you can see my space is currently private, meaning my student would have to be invited individually by name or email. To make this easier, however, I'm just going to switch the space to public, save the changes, copy the link, and send the link to my students so that they can join me in the space. In a public space, anyone with the link can join you. As you can see, my student has made her way to our space, and she's filling out the Venn diagram with the numbers I put for her on the side. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope it helped demonstrate how you can use pencil spaces in your day-to-day education.